Ohio, Akron. Weather Bulletin. For the following county, Crawford, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Andover, or 19 miles north of Sharpsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Meadville, Linesville, Harmonsburg, Adamsville, Guys Mills, Pymatuning North, Pymatuning Central, Atlantic, Cochranton, Sagertown, Conneaut Lake, Jamestown, Blooming Valley, Venango, Woodcock, Conneaut Lakeshore, Geneva, and Hartstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The forecast